Hey everyone, how are you doing? It is me, Tim. Good to be reading On a Windy Day by Nancy Raines Day. On a windy night, on a winding road, a boy walks home with a heavy load. On this winding road, on this windy night, clouds hide the moon, and in creeps fright. Through dark woods and down a hill, the boy walks fast, and faster still. What's that? His heart flip flops with fear. A whisper rustles in his ear. Crickety clack, bones in a sack. They could be yours if you look back. The boy squeaks. Who do you mean? Me? Who else? Owl hoots back from his tree. The wind blows leaves that brushed his face. The panicked boy begins to race, but even though he holds his ears, it's louder now, the voice he hears. Crickety clack, bones in a sack. They could be yours if you look back. He leaves the spooky woods behind, but in the field, what does he find? Real skeletons. They dance in rows, clicking knees and clackling toes. Rough fingers whip his hands and cheek. He runs, but hears an awful shriek. Crickety clack, bones in the sack. They could be yours if you look back. The boy runs blindly. Fast seems slow. Then suddenly he stubs his toe. He reaches out and feels a head. It doesn't move. It must be dead. The boy's feet barely touch the ground. Again it comes, that defeating sound. Clickety clack, bones in the sack. They could be yours if you look back. He runs so fast. He's breathing hard. He's almost there. He's in the yard. A shadow rubs against his legs. Don't hurt me, please. The scared boy begs. The hairy beast sits on his shoe, and then it makes a meek. Me, woo. When the clouds roll by, a full moon shines bright. The boy looks back and laughs outright. Now dry corn stalks dance where the bones had been. The head's a pumpkin once again. So the boy scoops up his purring cat. They both go home. And that is that. Until they hear a creaky clack. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the story. And I want to say thanks for watching. And y'all take care and have a good one.